Not all SUVs are worth your money. Some suffer from poor reliability, weak performance, and high maintenance expenses, while others excel in technology, efficiency, and overall value. In this video, we'll cover 3 SUVs to avoid due to serious flaws and highlight 4 top choices that deliver the best mix of performance, comfort, and features. If you're shopping for an SUV this year, here's what you need to know. Number 3. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. In the competitive subcompact SUV market, the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross finds it difficult to distinguish itself. Although its look implies a dynamic driving experience, the actual experience is far less captivating. It has received poor reviews from both owners and critics, and even the 2025 model does not raise consumer satisfaction, which hurts Mitsubishi's standing even more. The Eclipse Cross shares a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with the Volkswagen Taos. However, it only generates 152 horsepower. When paired with a continuously variable transmission, the power plant produces unimpressive performance and poor acceleration. Its fuel efficiency, which is just average for its class at 25 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, is nonetheless underwhelming despite having a small engine and CVT. At a starting price of $26,545, there are better options available. For just a bit more, buyers could opt for a Mazda CX-5 or Volkswagen Tiguan, both of which offer better performance, interior quality, and overall driving dynamics. In addition to its lackluster engine and gearbox, the Eclipse Cross has a loud cabin, inadequate handling, and little storage room. Modern safety features that are standard on many competitors are only available on higher models, and the infotainment system feels antiquated. Given that CVTs and turbocharged engines frequently have long-term dependability issues, Mitsubishi's substantial warranty is their lone benefit. Number 2. Volkswagen Taos. Although it was designed to be a larger alternative to the Golf, the Volkswagen Taos falls short in several important areas. It has poor customer satisfaction scores, a boring design, and a dubious safety record. With 6 NHTSA recalls, the 2022 model proved especially troublesome. Even if Volkswagen has improved since then, the 2025 Taos is still not a very noteworthy option. The most recent model has a panoramic sunroof, optional leather interior, and a digital instrument cluster. It has a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine under the hood that generates 174 horsepower. On paper, the front-wheel drive version's 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 7.4 seconds looks reasonable. The performance in the real world, however, is somewhat different. According to Consumer Reports, the 2024 model had a noticeable delay while accelerating from a standstill, and although the 2025 model shows some improvement, it still has slow throttle response. Volkswagen's poor powertrain warranty is yet another significant disadvantage. Its coverage of only 50,000 miles is half that of most rivals, which raises questions about its long-term dependability. This is particularly concerning because the turbocharged Volkswagen engines have a history of developing problems really fast. With a starting price of $26,420, the Taos is also up against fierce competition from more dependable brands like Toyota, Mazda, and Subaru, all of which provide superior overall value and long-term reliability. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, despite its rugged styling and strong market presence, has struggled to maintain consumer trust due to poor reliability, high fuel consumption, and an uncompetitive starting price of $36,460. Jeep currently holds the lowest reliability rating among all brands evaluated by Consumer Reports, ranking last out of 34 manufacturers, which raises concerns for those seeking a dependable, trouble-free SUV. Under the hood, the Grand Cherokee is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 293 horsepower, offering decent acceleration. However, in 0 to 60 mile-per-hour tests, it takes 8.0 seconds, which is considered slow for an SUV in its class. A plug-in hybrid version is available, improving performance and efficiency. But overall, the Grand Cherokee's driving dynamics remain uninspiring, with below-average grip and responsiveness. Another major drawback is fuel economy, as it achieves only 20 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Underwhelming figures for a modern SUV. Additionally, the cost of the Grand Cherokee rises significantly when adding features that come standard in many competitors, making it a less competitive option against rivals like the Ford Bronco, which offers similar off-road capability, or the Lexus GX, which, while pricier, delivers greater luxury and superior build quality. Now that we've covered what to avoid, hit the like and subscribe button. Let's shift our focus to SUVs that are actually worth buying in 2025. Number 3. Mazda CX-5. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 outshines rivals like the Hyundai Tucson, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-50, securing its place as the best compact SUV of the year. Despite the CX-50 being designed as a successor, the CX-5 remains a favorite for its sleek design, agile handling, and proven reliability. Unlike many competitors, it avoids a CVT, ensuring a more engaging drive. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine producing 187 horsepower and 186 pound-foot of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. This setup delivers sharp handling and responsive acceleration, with fuel economy at 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. For more power, higher trims feature a turbocharged version of the same engine, boosting output to 256 horsepower and achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds. Mazda has reintroduced the base S trim for 2025, reducing the starting price to $28,570, a $700 decrease from last year. Safety has also improved, with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pedestrian detection now standard. While the CX-5 has less cargo space and tighter rear legroom than some competitors and lacks a hybrid option, it remains one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs available. Number 2. Genesis GV70. The 2025 Genesis GV70 leads the premium compact SUV segment, outperforming rivals like the Lincoln Corsair, BMW X3, and Porsche Macan with its ideal mix of technology, luxury, and performance. Its G-Matrix grille, sweeping curves, and two-line LED headlights create a sleek, modern design that rivals European brands. Inside, the GV70 impresses with high-end materials and cutting-edge technology, including fingerprint authentication, which starts the car and adjusts seat and mirror settings instantly. The electronically controlled suspension scans the road in real time, adjusting for potholes to ensure a smoother ride. Remote Smart Parking Assist lets the SUV park or exit tight spaces autonomously for added convenience. The base model features a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. For more power, a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 delivers 375 horsepower, offering stronger acceleration and a sportier drive. Starting at $45,600, the GV70 offers more technology, luxury, and performance than its competitors, making it one of the best-value luxury SUVs of 2025. Number 1. Toyota Highlander. The 2025 Toyota Highlander remains a top mid-size SUV, excelling in reliability, efficiency, and practicality. Competing with the Kia Telluride, Honda Pilot, and Hyundai Palisade, it stands out with a smooth ride, advanced safety features, and fuel-efficient powertrains. Its sleek exterior features sharper headlights, a bold grille, and sculpted body lines. Inside, the premium cabin offers soft touch materials, available leather upholstery, and a spacious layout. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard. Power comes from a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for 24 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. The Highlander Hybrid features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with an electric motor delivering 243 horsepower and up to 36 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient mid-size SUVs. With 3 rows of seating, the Highlander maximizes space and practicality. The front and second rows offer great comfort, while the third row suits children or occasional adult use. Cargo space is 16 cubic feet behind the third row, expanding to 48.4 cubic feet with it folded and 84.3 cubic feet with both rows down. Starting at $39,320, the 2025 Toyota Highlander remains a top family SUV, delivering efficiency, technology, and Toyota's trusted reliability. Thanks for watching.